Today we will show you how to add a firearm using just the basic details. To add a firearm, all you have to do is click on the button here or off the menu at Add Item, Add Firearm. Anything with the asterisk is usually required by a BATFE for the bound book information. Importer sometimes optional. So right now we'll add in manufacturer, the importer, the model of the firearm, the serial number, the type of firearm that it is, which you can either select it from the list, or if you know the order, you can always just start typing in and it will automatically populate. If you do not see this list that comes up for the caliber, you can always add that in manually. In the Add Item section, there's a section for calibers. Add in the condition and the purchase from. Purchase price is optional, but we'll just add that in anyways. And the date that it was purchased, which will say it was purchased a month ago. And if you want to rename it to something else, because it will sort it in by the manufacturer/model number, but if you wanted to rename it to something else, you can just right-click, click on it once, highlight it, right-click, and then go to rename display name, and then you can rename it to anything you pretty much want to. When you click on it, it'll show the information that you populated in.